everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share a few bits that I've picked up this week, and also to pick a winner from my hidden giveaway. So first of all, I'm going to share the bits that I've picked up. So I popped into the local supermarket and I found these two magazines. I'm not really one for getting magazines that often, but recently I've seen quite a few different like stamp sets or dies or things like that with magazines, and it's kind of tempted me, I guess, to buy them because magazines are not cheap. I think these are about $9.99. But yeah, I got this creative stamping one, but it came with this large and small stamp set. And obviously I'm only going to get them if I know that I'm going to use the I guess the bits that come with it. I'll just quickly take this out. And the magazines are quite good. They give you inspiration on different projects and things that you can make using the stamps that come with it and that. But I just really like this this one. I thought it'd just be great for like simple kind of cards, and I think like you could like emboss this as well. Like if you stamp it on a card and emboss it, I thought that'd be quite nice on a simple card. And then I really like this one, like all the different bits to it. I thought it would be great on different projects. Yeah, so I've got that, and then obviously the magazines, like I said, they give you like inspiration on how to use, like, yeah, I just thought it was really pretty how you can use the different stamps, and I think there's other bits and bobs in there. I haven't actually been through this magazine just yet. And then the next one I picked up was Cards and Paper Craft. Again, I'm not really up to date on, I couldn't tell you what issue this is or when it came out or anything. Obviously I'm thinking recent because it's got Christmas stuff in it. So this one's called Cards and Paper Craft. So it had a load of Christmassy bits with it as well. So I picked up this one. So this is Chloe's Creative Cards. You get Merry Christmas and then wishes, which I thought was quite nice. So you get the layering piece on that as well. So that are the dies. And then this was the cute magazine. That was the magazine. And then with this as well, you got a load of stamps. And I just thought these would be, I loved that reindeer. Perfect to use on some cards. And it does give you examples as well. And I'm thinking those dies, if you wanted to stamp, would they? Yeah, I think they would. Yeah, so these dies work with the stamps as well, so you don't have to use that part of the die. You can just stamp it and then cut it out. And I think that would go for the Merry and Wishes as well. So yeah, they're kind of cool. So that was the magazines, and then last couple of bits is I bought some books. I don't know if anyone's interested in books, but I love to read. It's another one of my hobbies, and I thought I'd just share it on here just in case someone's interested in certain books and stuff. Got this one. My youngest daughter surprised me with this one actually. They went off shopping at the airport before we went on holiday. I'd already taken packed 2 books to take away on holiday with me, but she knows that I like this author, and she'd gone off with her siblings, and they'd looking around in all the shops at the airport, and she came back with this. She surprised me with this one, and I have started it. I'm currently quarter the way through. Yeah, and I really liked it. So this one's called Hopeless. I'll let you just, if you want to read the back or pause it, you can do so, to get an idea of what the book's about. And then why I was in, I think I was in Asda the other day. I like their, I always look at their books in Asda because they do like 2 for £8 something, I think it is. I found the second and third book like combined in one. So technically I got kind of 3 books for, yeah, for £8 something. So this is 2 books in one. This is Losing Hope and Finding Cinderella, again by the same author. So yeah, I'm really excited to read these. And then again, if you would like to pause, then you can read the back. And then the last one I picked up was this, My Big Fat Vampire Wedding. Again, I just like the sound of it, and obviously I read the back to get an idea. And again, you can pause to read the back. So yeah, definitely check out Asda for their books. I always go in there because I just find they're a lot cheaper than that, or Amazon, than you know, somewhere like Waterstones or something like that. And then the last thing is, I did a little bit of a hidden giveaway in one of my previous videos, and I said that if you wanted to win these stamp sets and stencil, so these are the stamp sets, just to leave a comment on that video stating what's your like favourite stamp company or brand that you like to use. And the loads of people left comments, but the only one that actually stated their favourite brand was the lovely Andrea. So thank you, Andrea, for entering the giveaway. And if you could message me your address, I will get these sent out to you. Don't forget, guys, there will be lots of other giveaways in my videos. I'm trying to do it that way, because then people, I know who's watching my videos and stuff, and it's nice to give back to the people that are actually watching my videos and that, and I think it's kind of a nice way to do a giveaway. I will be back at some point to do a big giveaway, because I've got over 1,000 subscribers now. I think I'm on 1,100 and something, so I will be back to do a big giveaway, most probably after Christmas, because it's just, I'm so hectic at the moment, but I will carry on doing little hidden ones until then. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I will, like I said, catch you in my next video. Thank you again, Andrea, for entering my giveaway, and please message me your address, and I will catch you in my next video, guys. Take care, have an awesome day. Bye.